Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to build app without coding. So simply just in order to build app without coding you can use many websites, but simply in my case I have used Adalo. So simply just you have to go to the landing page, and after that here you can see the sign up option. So just if you don't have any account, simply click on sign up and you will move to next page. So here you don't need to put any code. Simply here you can see you have to drag and drop just and create your application. So just here you have type your email, then enter your password, then enter your full name. So after that just click on agreement and let's do this. But in my case I already have account, so simply I will click on login, and after that when you move to login page, so simply just click on sign in and you will directly move to the dashboard. So finally here you can see this is the main dashboard, and here on the left side you can see add components, add screen option. So simply first of all we will go to select add screen and simply blank screen. So here you can see some templates available. If you want to select to, it will help you to create a website. Simply I will use the blank screen here. Simply I will select this. So just type the screen name here, and after that click on create screen. So finally here you can see we have created screen, and just after that here you can see add note, enter the title. So simply now after that just click on this plus button, and first of all here you can see the text option and here you can see the button option. So simply just you have to click on text and paste it here. So now after that just type the headline for your application. So after typing the name, so just as you can see I have typed this name. So simply after that just you can change the font here, and you can also change the color here. You can also set the alignment, and you can also set the size here. So after this just again click on plus button. So here you can see it is completely changed. You can also set it according to your choice. Now on the top side you can see the icons and battery percentage etc. Now again click on this plus button and now go to buttons option, select the button and drag it here. So just when you click on button here you can edit the button name. You can also change the color and format if you want to add. So here you can see text button, outline button, or what kind of button you want to add here. After that just again click on this plus button, and now here you will have to add a simple list. So simply as you can see we have add the simple list here. So just here you have to add the title 1 2 3. So here you can also insert note, user assignments, activities, so all these sections available. So in this way you can easily manage list. So now after that just again go to plus button, and now here you can see the app bar option. Simply drag it here, and here you can add the app bar. So just you can change the color here, like if you want to add a customized color, so simply just select the color here. So here you can also change the other settings, After that, just again click on plus button and now go down, and here you can see the images option. So now in some cases you have to upload the image on application. So what you need to do, simply you have to drag this image and paste it here. So after that, when you just paste the image, simply what you need to do next, so you have to upload an image here. So simply as you can see, this is the actions option. So now after that, when you add some components, now we need to add action regarding this. Simply, like I have select the button, and here scroll down, here you can see add action option. So simply click on add action, create assignment notes. So here you can add the action, like simply click on create, click on note. So here you can add the action. After that, here you can see the form option. So simply just you can also drag it here if you want to upload on your application screen. Now here you can see the navigation option, like tab bar, app bar, already here lists. So here you can see the multiple lists option here, buttons. So here you can see the many formats of button, like action button, icon, toggle. So if you want to add, simply you can drag and drop here. Now in the simple section here you can see image, rectangle, lens, vector. So if you want to, like if you want to add any shape here, simply drag and paste here. So here you can also adjust, like resize it. You can also change the colors and everything. So after this, just click again on this plus button, and now here forms and fields. So now if you want to add any forms and fields, simply just drag and paste it here. So here you can also edit this section. So one by one you have to understand, when you simply drag the component, after that this window is appeared here. So here you can also edit this section. Simply first of all select the section, and after that just here you can also add the, simply just this is the editing panel. So select and edit here. After that again click here and now scroll down. So now here you can see we have completely add all the components, and you will get to know how to use. So now go to branding. So here you can also change the primary color. As you can see, we have changed the primary color. So once you change it, it will be simply change here. After that, here you can see default background color. So if you want to change the background color of your application screen, so simply you can change it here. After that, when you click on fonts, so simply if you change the font, the next thing that fonts will be changed here. So this is the branding section. Now here you can see the screens. So here you can see click on activities. So here you can also edit this. Now again here you can see add activities, admin, clients, category activities, client sign up. So simply when you click here, so you can also add the component, like if you want to add a sign up, so simply you can add here. After that, just again go to screen. So here you can see notes, profile, all the screens available. So if you want to add a new screen or multiple screens here, simply you can add here. After that, here the important thing is database. So now if you want to add a new database, simply click on add collection and simply just type the name here. After that, click on add. So you can also add the property. So here you can add the database. So after that, in the next, go to settings. So here if you already set the name, here you have option to change the name. So here you can change the application name. Here you can also add the short description. So currently I don't have set any icon for my applications. So simply in this section you can also set the icon for your app. And now after that, even you can click here to create your own logo. But if you already have logo, so simply you can upload it here. So here you can also change the display settings, and here you can see app access. So here copy and delete, copy new, delete new, API keys. So here you can get access to the API key. So now here in the publish section, so now in order to publish your app you have to upgrade the to the premium package. So if you have premium package, you can easily publish your website. So when you design your website, then simply buy a premium package, and after that you can easily publish your apps, and simply you can upload it on Play Store or all other sites, many sites that are available to upload the application. So here you can see the analytics. So here how many visitors and all the details here. You can check most viewed screens, total signups, users by location, device use. So here you can check it. So here you can check the versions history. Like I have firstly creating this app. So currently if you have created multiple versions of app or any upgrading in your app, so the version history will be appear here in your same account. So now you understand that how you can easily use Adalo to create custom application without coding. So in